Here we have an 18 karat gold chronometer quarter-hour repeater watch, running well. Here's the awards that it's achieved. There it is running.
How do you open it?
You push on the top. It's a lever set for adjusting your hands. Like that. This is your stopwatch. One press and it runs. Then you do the second press and it stops. So you can check at what time it is, or how long it ran for. And you press it again, and it resets. This lever down here is the one that runs the repeater portion. Why don't we set that a little longer, so that it'll run the repeater a few more times. We'll just crank it ahead here to 7. And that's how it does it for quarter-hour repeater.